The O'Reilly Auto Parts mini trucks for their feature Trenton Croft. The 42 of Brady McLean on the front row, free sliding in the air. The 99 of Bob Johnson, the 443 of Eddie McLean, and the 442 of Connor McLean. Brady McLean trying to take the lead from Trenton Croft on the outside. We've got three McLeans in the outside lane.
Brady McLean in the 42 trying to get around them.
Racing in our mini truck feature right now, O'Reilly Auto Parts mini trucks. Brady McLean trying to battle back in that outside lane. All the McLean's still out there. The Croft is still leading on the inside. Trenton Croft, the youngster, doing a great job with 6 laps complete. And that's the thing about these mini trucks, is we say it week in and week out. If we have 5 or 6 more of these things, it'd be the best division we have. These guys put on a whale of a show every week.
I keep hearing that there's more fun somehow, but yeah, exactly. And you know, we're missing Jason tonight. And then 8 more to go, folks. Trenton Croft doing a heck of a job.
A whale of a job, the youngster trying to hang on, and we finally busted up the McLeans in the outside lane. It's your champion from a year ago, Connor McLean, and he is right up on Trenton Croft. He's got his brother and his dad to his outside. Bob Johnson slipping back in the 99 machine just a little bit. Connor McLean trying to get around Brady, so he's got Brady McLean up the racetrack, and now here comes Connor. Connor McLean looking to the outside of Trenton Croft. 3 laps to go this time around.
Good battle between Trenton Croft and Connor McLean on the outside. Coming out of 4, backfires a little bit. Can he pull off the upset with Connor McLean on the outside of him? They go down into 3 and 4.